So today we went to a couple stores and we found, only on one of them, we found squishies, Neatos, and squeezies. Okay, so we got a squeezy peach and a pink and blue Neato fuzzball. And we were gonna get a duck and a butter, but listen, this girl was like trying to get a a Neato, and I had 4. I put 2 in my cart and 2 in my hands because my friend wanted one. So I set one apart, and I had one extra one that I found, and I felt really bad. So I'm like, "Do you want a Neato?" And she's like, "Oh my gosh, are you sure?" And I'm like, "Yes, take a Neato. Like, we don't need it."
She goes to my school.
Wait, she does?
Yes, she does.
Oh. So like, I gave her a Neato, and she's like, "Thank you so much." And I'm like, "You're welcome." So then me and my friend went to check if there was any more because they restocked on ducks, and Regina got the first one. She's like, "Oh my gosh, girl, there's butters now." And I'm like, "Oh my gosh, thank you so much." That girl was really sweet. I hope we find more girls like that because the rest just take the Neatos. Okay, so Regina's going first.
I'm going first. Now, let me just take off the tape. Yeah, I'm going to unbox it. It says no in microwave. I can't go in there. ASMR. So fuzzy.
Okay, it's my turn. Also, guys, don't mind how bad I look. I already took off the tape on this one while Regina was opening hers. Look. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is my first ever Neato, I'm pretty sure.
No, we had one.
Yeah, we had one, but I think it popped. I don't even know.
No.
Oh, yeah, it wasn't a real Neato, but it grew mold inside.
Yeah, but it was my favorite.
It was really scary. Okay, now it's time for the squeezy. Hang on. Ah! Start opening.
Guys, went to Cracker Barrel. They were, it's like all of the Smushy Kings were in stock.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay, ready?
like
Oh my gosh. Ready? It's crunchy. Oh, wait. Hang on. That's all air.
No, that's
Oh, there's like a couple of them, but like,
guys, that's all of them. Look at that. That's good.
yeah. Regina really liked it too.
It's hard.
Even though she didn't want to get squeezies, she's like, no, let's just get Neatos. Oh my gosh, this was the last one though, so I was really excited. I'm in love. Okay, that's it for today.
Bye, guys.